Oh, hi. Yeah, today's been boring. Boring. TROV and which other stock? Hold up. CTV. Oh, what? CVET. Yeah, whatever. This stock is one of the stocks I've been watching for weeks now. Different range, all the way coming from the $22. You'll probably see it right here though, but I'll show you how it looks on the chart in a minute. Today's been extremely boring, really low volume, no follow through in the market. There were a few opportunities in the morning, MDR, Snap, while it was dropping quick. A couple of opportunities that I missed. Unfortunately, I missed them. And the first one of the stocks that I've been watching today was, can't even remember now. It's been boring. I'll show you in a chart in a second. But there was no follow through. There was really nothing. Pretty much TROV. I took a couple of cents on a long trade over 206, and it was just trading on a range the whole day. Nothing to see. But anyway, I don't want to drag the process here of this video, just telling you guys stuff that you probably know as a fact already because you've been in the market. But I'll show you here in the chart. And today's just $250, $70 day, something like that. I'll take it, don't get me wrong. But the time frame, it's just, there was no follow through whatsoever. And it was extremely boring, extremely disappointing. But other than that, we are live. Let's take one day at a time. We're back at it tomorrow. I'll see you in a minute. Two quick stocks that we're gonna go through is TROV and CVET. TROV since the morning time started to ramp up, and it seems like we're gonna have a gap up in the morning with a pennant flag formation of the 15-minute time frame. Right out of the open, it had a spike right here. You can see it on the 1-minute time frame though, and this thing moved somewhat okay for the people that get in, but the thing is that it was really extremely volatile right out of the open. I felt that it was a little bit too risky, so I didn't want to trade it. Over the consolidation period right here on the over the view app, we had a high of 208 in this candle. Well, during that time, I figured that if we would have gotten over the $2 mark, it seemed like it could have been a pretty decent opportunity for maybe a 15-12 cent gain towards the $2.20. So I had a order out there, stop limit order, to actually buy this thing over 206. And this candle here is where it actually broke. It just pushed up and it went all the way to a high of 215. I got out of this one because, it was something that it was extremely volatile. This stock didn't really give me a lot of confidence. As I was telling you guys this morning, I had that limit order to be filled at over $2.06. The reason why I wanted to be filled, and if you look at exactly what this thing is pointing on the 1-minute time frame here, you're gonna notice it's right here in this push when it actually came right back ramping over the 50 simple moving average on the 1-minute time frame. The problem with this is I wasn't feeling confident. I didn't want to put a order for a breakout of the $2 because you can see a bunch of wicks on this thing, especially right here with this doji candle. Long wicks up and down, long legged. This indecision candle right here of 208 high, and then with a push. Once I saw this thing ramp up, I was even, to be honest, paying attention to CVET, my apologies. And over the chat, right there on tradescolony.com, Justine wrote, "Hey, it's going higher. Look at it." And I looked at it and it was just ramping up. and I decided, okay, it's time for me to take whatever I can out because I don't really think this thing is gonna hold. If you look at from the high 215 here, came all the way down here to 169, huge drop all the way, right? A little bit of consolidation and another drop. Like you can see the 1 minute time frame here with a shooting star formation here for that reversal, and then with this candle right here with a long wick. It's just something that it have no follow through to the upside. At least I was able to take something out, and for that I'm good. I'm grateful for that, but just there was no follow through today. CTV as well. I apologize. Let me get that. CVET. I don't know why I keep on messing up the name here. This thing, I'm gonna give you the daily chart here. We've been watching this stock since I don't know when. With this gap, 2288, 1501, 1354, and over here at 1097, dropping today really hard. We've been talking about this stock for some time now on the nightly scanners that we're doing. You can see today right out of the gates it's been trending on the W app. Around these areas where we had here a little bit of consolidation with this gravestone doji candle on the 5 minute time frame right here. I actually, well, it looked a little bit like gravestone doji. If you put it a lot closer, it looks like an inverted hanging man pretty much. Right here I took a little stab at it. I actually thought that we were going to have a very nice trade out of that one. Again, taking out little tiny gains today, no follow through. At the end of the day, thank God that we were able to close the day at least small green, but still green, because really today was boring and yesterday was really boring with only one stock traded ENDP. And I just wanted to bring you something small today. I really don't want to talk too much about this thing because it's really not really a lot of stuff to talk about, just no follow through, and I feel like the market was actually dead for me today. I know that there probably have been a lot of opportunities out there for a lot of other people. For me, it didn't really give me a lot of stuff to do, and I'd rather just close my day, come back tomorrow, try to see if we can get another opportunity tomorrow to take profits and make a little decent money. So anyway, this things that we gotta deal with sometimes is just not what we would like, but this is the way that it is. The market is just, we have to do what we can with what we have at the moment and trade the market that we're in, not the market that we wish we will be in. So I will see you guys later. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to bring you this little bit of information here, and I will see you back here tomorrow again.